Fala Massa, what's up everybody? This is Ryan with another game for Galo in the Brazilian League, Campeonato Brasileiro. Galo is playing away from home at a team from the south called Juventude. It means like the youth. They're from a smaller town called Caxias do Sul in the far south of Brazil. This is a team that doesn't spend a lot of years in the first division. However, they have won the Copa do Brasil, the Brazilian Cup, in the past. So they're not a team to take lightly, even though they don't spend a lot of time in the first division. They're a tough team to beat, especially away from home. So Galo will have its work cut out for them today. We're playing away from home against a team that's not easy to win. And also, I expect that we're going to probably keep out some of our starters because we're in between the home and away legs for Libertadores. We're playing in the knockout phases now. We tied away from home at Emelec in Ecuador just a couple days ago. We have the return leg coming up in a couple days. I imagine that Galo is probably going to keep out some people who need some rest. How will that affect the team? I imagine that probably also not only people who need rest, but we're going to have to change up the team a little bit, thinking about the upcoming Libertadores game where some of our players are not allowed to play, like Alan, who took a red card. So what will happen? Will Galo be able to get away with beating Juventude away from home with all of this other stuff that's going on? We'll find out in the next 90 minutes. Here we go. Penalty. 100% interrupted Hulk's path to the ball and knocked him to the ground. How is this not a penalty? This one has to be a penalty. Gotta be a penalty. Yeah, finally. Threw him to the ground from behind. Absolutely penalty. How the other one wasn't a penalty, almost the same play, I don't know. But here we go, penalty for Galo. Yes, yes. So Hulk continues almost, I don't think he's ever missed a penalty in a Brazilian game. So counting the cup, the league, the state, the Super Cup this year, but in Libertadores, he has never made one. So it's good to see him making a penalty, kind of redeeming himself from the miss that he had a couple days ago for Libertadores. I think he kind of kicked it almost in the same spot. The goalie almost got it, but Galo's ahead now. Just under 30 minutes in the game, Galo's up 1-0 away from home at Juventude with a goal from penalty suffered by Ademir and kicked by Hulk. Tem Vargas. Vai. Que? Yeah. I thought that Vargas missed it. Wow. I think he did this on purpose. Wow. Vargas, selfless. Very selfless. I really thought that Vargas messed up or missed it. I was confused for a second, but wow. Leaving the ball for Sasha to make the goal. Selfless play from Vargas. And whoa, what a pass from Hulk. Jesus, he can do it all. He steals the ball. He doesn't go down when people try to tackle him. Great assists, great goals, penalties. He could do it all. So Galo is ahead now, 2-0. I'm still confused. I can't believe that Vargas didn't go for the goal. I thought that he missed it, but turned out to be a great combination that Sasha was running up from behind. Great counterattack from Galo. Galo is winning 2-0 now. Padding our saldo de goals, the goals difference, which really helps us for later rounds, and hopefully moving up some in the table now. Nossa! Que aconteceu? Who hit header? Nossa! So Juventude just scored. Great. This sucks for two reasons. Number one, winning 2-0 is much better than winning 2-1. Number 2, the time that's left, whoa boy, get ready, because Juventude is going to come with everything they have, hoping for like another lucky goal, crazy chance to try to come away with a tie. That's the end of the game. Galo won 2-1 away from home at Juventude, which is a great result for us. Galo has won our last couple of games for Brasileiro. We're moving up. Some teams that have already played in this round, lost or tied, who were in front of us, we're passing them. There are some other games that we're still waiting on to see where are we going to be at the end of this round. We might be in the top 4, which is what qualifies for Libertadores. There's no chance that we're going to move into first place, but as of right now, we're sitting in second place, which is excellent. This has been a great round for us with results from other games, us winning away from home, other teams stumbling that were in front of us. So Galo 2-1 away from home at Juventude. Goals were from Sasha and Hulk. Ever had a little bit of an unhappy moment. Redirected a ball into a spot where Everson couldn't get it. Juventude scored and then came with everything that they had for the last couple of minutes, but Galo managed to hold on to the win, come away with 3 points away from home. This should give us a little bit of a boost in confidence, some extra morale before we go back home and wait for Emelec for the return leg in Libertadores that will be coming up in the middle of next week. Galo moving up on the table. Galo ganhou mais uma vez. Thanks everybody for watching. If you like what you're seeing, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Até a próxima. Tchau.